Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics,
Section 4.6, Problem 9. This is Section 4.6, Problem 9. It says 940 is 47% of what number? So to solve a problem like this, we want to set it up as a proportion and solve the proportion. So in other words, one fraction equals another fraction. So the way we do it, we want the question to be written in the form A is P% of B, which is what we have. The A is 940. 47 is the P. Percent's going to turn into 100. What number is the unknown? B is unknown, so we'll have one unknown. So as we fill it in, you want to use the formula A equals P over 100, and you have a B under the A. I think of it as just going around the circle. A, the equals is P% of B. So as we fill this in, the A matches with a 940. Is becomes equals. P will be 47. Percent is 100. And then what number is the unknown? So we just leave that as a variable as B. So now we have an equation with one unknown, and to solve this sort of an equation where we have two fractions, we cross multiply and then we divide. So B times 47, we can write 47B, or B47, it's really the same, equals, and now 940 times 100. So we'll have 47B equals. Now these are huge numbers in this multiplication, but I can actually multiply it faster in my head than most people can multiply with a calculator, because all you have to do is ignore the zeros, and it really boils down to multiplying 94 times 1, which is a very easy multiplication. 94 times 1 is 94. Now, how many zeros did we ignore? 1, 2, 3. So you put back 1, 2, 3. 94 with 3 zeros after it is 94,000. It's actually very easy to multiply. Now, to solve for B, divide out the 47. So 94,000 divided by 47. Now, that's not something that divides all that easily. So, actually, once you start it, you'll see that it will. But let's say you don't know what the answer is. So if your teacher allows you to use a calculator for class, you do the numerator divided by the denominator equals, and you'll get the answer. Now, if your teacher does not allow you to use a calculator for class, what you do is the numerator is under the division symbol, 94,000. And in front of the division symbol, you put the denominator. So 47 divides into 9. 9's not big enough, it won't fit. 47 divides into 94. Actually goes in exactly twice. So 2 times 7 is 14. Write the 4, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 more that we carried is 9. 94. Went in evenly. And the rest are zeros. So 94 minus 94 is 0. Bring down 1 0. Something times 47 is 0. Well, clearly it's 0. 0, you subtract, you get 0. Bring down the next 0. It's going to be 2,000. So something times 47 is 0. Well, of course, that's also 0. Bring down the next 0. That's also going to go in evenly. So you get an answer of 2,000. And that's the answer. 940 is 47% of what number? 940 is 47% of 2,000.